Okay, guys, we have the tail lights installed, and I did throw the hitch receptacle in for you just to show you what it's like. And we have not installed or plugged in the lights yet. I just wanted to show you the plug-in. Here's the plug-in right here. It goes in like that. And like I said, it's a plug and play. There's another plug that you can get that this plugs into, then it plugs into your light, and the other one goes to the module. I'm gonna be getting those, so you don't have to take off anything. I already got, you can see that, remember that I ran the power outlet. I'm in the process. Right now I'm in the process of running that power line over there. Also wanted to show you the mud flaps are absolutely easy to install, kind of a little bit of a bitch. You can see there's one on the front down there. It's pretty dark in here, but there you go. And of course we've got the mud flap right here. And of course we've got one in the front here. So we got the mud flaps installed. The hitch receptacle is installed. I'm going to take this down for you right here and show you what I'm going to do. Now there's only a single bolt. That single bolt right there pulls that hitch receptacle. So if you have a rack with $1,500 worth of $15,000 worth of mountain bikes and rack that carry your bikes, you got to have more than just this bolt holding this on. So what you do is you run a tracer hole through this bolt, an 1/8 inch, drill an 1/8 inch hole all the way through, then drill a 1/4 inch hole through that tracer hole, then stick a lock through there so that you can't just turn this off. Now, it's hard, would be very difficult to get a pair of bolt cutters under there to cut the lock or anything like that. It's just a little extra security to protect your investment of your $15,000 in mountain bikes and your Quad Piston Pro X bike rack. But anyways, yeah, this is pretty cool. And I did want to show you, there is a plate that goes right here that hides everything. But like I said, I'll more than likely have this on most of the time, especially when I have it locked. I'm going to put it on there. Looking to see if once it is on, this is a 15/16 inch bolt, gentlemen. It'd be very difficult. I mean, it'd be easy to get bolt cutters on that lock right now, but once this car is all the way down to the ground, you won't be able to fit. I don't think you can get it certainly would be a small pair of bolt cutters, if anything. But that's it. I'm ready to. I've got a Quad Piston Pro X bike rack ordered. I'm not sure exactly when it's going to be here. It's on back order right now. I had got the best price for $1,200 with tax, so we're waiting for that to come in. But isn't that beautiful? Plus, this car will be towing a trailer, more than likely. It will be a 400, about a 1,200 pound load total once you load up the trailer with my street bike. That's my BMW S1000RR. And my dirt bike, my WR450. So, and then you'll put the electric mountain bike in the middle, well, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do them on there, but I guess if you distribute the weight, you would put your electric in the middle. But I got a feeling I'll probably put my sport bike in the middle, and I think it'll be fine. And then I'm probably going to have a couple of mountain bikes with me also when I go, and everything will be locked on the trailer and everything. I'm going to get moving on running this wire. So I just wanted to show you the finished product. I didn't plug in the lights yet. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, did I show you the lights? Like I said, here is it's very easy to set up, and the only thing you have to take off is this little piece of plastic, this trim piece right here, to do that lighting now that I have the wire already there. So we're just going to tuck that back inside of there, and we're going to continue on with this job and get this done today. I want to get this done 100% today, so I'm going to plug these lights in right now before I forget.